At what times will Superman's velocity be 0 miles per second? So that's what we had said earlier. 0, 0, 0, and 0. 4 different times. 2 of them are obvious times, and at 0 and at 100. Those are definitely 0 miles per second. But then I have 2 places where I'm going to have to use the equation to actually find when it equals 0, the exact value. So that means I'm going to have to use this equation and this equation, set it equal to 0. So I'll do that over here. The first one isn't that bad. 3650 minus 90x, set it equal to 0. I'm going to bring the 90x to the right side. Then you divide by 90. The zeros cancel out. 9 goes into 36 4 times, and maybe 5-ish. So about 40.5, or if you just wanted to, you could reduce it or leave it as 365 over 9. So that's that place. The other place is going to be setting 130x over 3 minus 2350, set that equal to 0. So I'm going to erase this part. Set that equal to 0. Bring 2350 to the right side. Then multiply by 3. And divide by 130. Notice the 130 over 3 became reciprocal right here. 130 over 3, just multiply by the reciprocal. That'll get rid of it. That I don't really want to simplify, so the x value for that one is going to be, let's see, the zeros do cancel out. Next 2 parts, during what exact time interval will f of t be greater than 0, and what does it mean in the context? Move these up. So the 2 things now, what does it mean to be f of x is greater than 0? Since f is supposed to be the velocity, it's saying the velocity is greater than 0. So that means moving forward. And then less than 0, that means the velocity is negative, which means you're moving backward. So I'm just going to go and find the exact time intervals. And all I have to do is use the x values that I found for the roots in the previous one. So I'll just start that for you. So greater than 0, starting at 0, going up to, I think we said it was about 40.5-ish. That's what that looks like. And then the other one was not exactly sure, but it starts here and goes to 100.